My son and I have been playing Satisfactory since it first released in 2019, and we've put in over 1,000 hours together. Few games have kept us hooked like this one. It's endlessly rewarding to turn raw resources into sprawling, efficient factories while trying to keep everything from slipping into full, let's game it out chaos. Of course, it's not always about perfect conveyor belts. Some of our best memories are just laughing and messing around with the beans that wander the world. That mix of building, problem solving, and pure silliness is what keeps us coming back year after year. While browsing MakerWorld, I came across the Satisfactory Detonator and Nobelisk files, and there was no way I wasn't printing them. These are hands down my favorite tools in the game, so I had to bring them into the real world. Nothing beats holding the gear you've been blowing stuff up with for years. Sure, I could have printed this part standing up with no supports, but this has to be my most satisfactory support removal ever.
Nice.
This video is sponsored by PCBWay. Right now, they've got some killer September deals on TPU FDM prints. The heavier your model, the bigger the discount. And anything over 64 grams gets a massive 80% off. That's almost free printing. They're also letting you upgrade your boards with a free purple solder mask, giving your projects a bold, standout look at no extra cost. And if you like a challenge, PCBWay's design contest is open now through January 2026. Your chance to show off your skills and win big. Hit the links below and check out PCBWay today.
I made a few simple mods to the Detonator and Nobelisk to make them feel closer to the game. The Detonator has a 3D printed spring so the plunger actually moves and snaps back. For the Nobelisk, I added caution tape, an explosive decal, and secured the wire with Gorilla Tape just like in Satisfactory. I used an audio cable for the wiring and printed yellow parts to represent the LED lights, since the model didn't include that feature. Both the Detonator and the Nobelisk also double as storage compartment.
Touchdown. Planetfall complete. Drop pod integrity nominal. Omni-situational exploration suit nominal. Pioneer. Acceptable.
If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Now let's check out some more satisfying prints available on MakerWorld. You definitely don't want to miss these. This is a work in progress of mine. The plan is to create floor tiles like the ones in Satisfactory, held together with magnets, kind of like a fidget toy or custom coasters. Between building factories with my son and 3D printing some crazy Satisfactory gear, I had a blast. Now tell me, if you could bring one thing from Satisfactory into real life, what would it be?